Acidity is commonly seen amongst every age group. So उसमें commonly seen signs and symptoms होते हैं जैसे हार्ट बर्न होना या चेस्ट पेन होना. काफी बार इतना सीवियर चेस्ट पेन होता है कि ऐसे लगता है that you have got हार्ट अटैक. तो इतना सीवियर चेस्ट पेन होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रेट्रोस्टर्नल पेन और रेट्रोस्टर्नल बर्निंग भी होता है. सो देयर कुड बी अ पेन और अ बर्निंग सेंसेशन. या तो फिर हेडेक्स होते हैं या सावर एंड बिटर टेस्ट इन योर माउथ होती है, खट्टा और कड़वा टेस्ट इन योर माउथ. Then you may have nausea feeling, you may have burning sensation in your throat, in your stomach as well. Regurgitation of food, मतलब जिसे हम लोग रिफ्लक्स बोलते हैं, खाना खाने के बाद ऐसे लगना कि फूड ऊपर आ रहा है, खाना ऊपर आ रहा है. Then sour taste, वॉमिटिंग, आपका सावर होता है, मतलब आप जब वॉमिट करते हो तो either you feel a sour or a bitter taste in your mouth. Then you may have indigestion with acidity. Then aversion towards food, you may not feel like having food. You may have mouth ulcers, you may have burning sensation at your soles or at your feet. You may have a lot of thirst, you may have tiredness, you may feel faint, and lot of burning sensation. At the same time you don't feel fresh, and you may have foul smelling loose motions as well. At the same time you may have abdominal distension. So these are various signs and symptoms. You may either have one or two or many symptoms while you actually call it acidity. So these are the commonly seen signs and symptoms in acidity. So the causative factors are many. So out of these commonly seen causative factors are spicy food habits. Let's say बहुत सारा पानी पूरी खाना, having lot of samosa, pizza, burgers, excessive chili, fried food खाना, mustard मतलब सरसों खाना, then garam masala and garlic and salty and sour foods, बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा खाना या बहुत ज़्यादा salty खाना, या chips for example. Then leftover food, fermented foods like idli, dosa and dokla for example, bakery products. Then having lot of Chinese food, maida prepared stuff. Then having lots of soft drinks and hard drinks, smoking, alcohol, so tea, coffee, having lot of caffeine, irregular meals basically. Then having lots of milkshake combinations like milk and fruits together. Starvation, like skipping your meals, like many people feel कि भूख लगती है तो starve करना चाहिए, but then it may lead to the aggravated pitta in your body, which may lead to acidity. Overeating is also not allowed, like till you are hungry आपको खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. So if you overfeed yourself, that may lead to indigestion and eventually that may lead to acidity. या eating late at night, sleeping late, insufficient या लैक ऑफ रेस्ट, बहुत कम रेस्ट लेना या बहुत कम स्लीप लेना, suppressing your natural urges, sleeping in the afternoon. One of the most important factors explained by Ayurveda is क्रोधात पित्तम. क्रोध मतलब चिड़चिड़ करना या too much of mental stress. So उससे पित्त बढ़ता है. So if your pitta is aggravated, you may have acidic feeling. So क्रोध मतलब not having anger या mental stress is very important. So if you have mental stress, worry, anxiety, jealousy, anger, fear, all these mental psychological feelings, या job dissatisfaction, etc. can lead to acidity. That having too much of curd at night can also lead to acidity. Having too many allopathic medications can also lead to acidity. Having lot of ice cream, ice can also lead to acidity. Now having a lot of ice and ice cream leads to lower or slowing down the agni or digestive fire, and that's how it leads to indigestion. Eventually it may lead to acidity. So talking about the management part, आयुर्वेदा में सबसे पहले management part comes is to avoid the causative factors. As I keep saying the same thing in every video of mine, कि कोई भी एलिमेंट हमें अगर अच्छा करना है तो सबसे पहले हमें causative factors spot करके उन्हें अवॉइड करना है. सो देन एंड देन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम रिजल्ट्स. सो जिसे हम लोग आयुर्वेदा में हेतु विपरीत बोलते हैं. हेतु मतलब पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स. तो जो भी पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स है उसके विपरीत करना या उसे अवॉइड करना इज द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट और द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एवरी सिंगल एलिमेंट. सो जो भी पॉजिटिव फैक्टर्स मैंने अभी बोले हैं, लाइक हैविंग स्पाइसी फूड या सब्सटेंस अब्यूज लाइक हैविंग अल्कोहल या सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स या हार्ड ड्रिंक्स और स्मोकिंग, स्लीपिंग लेट एट नाइट या हैविंग लेट फूड, लेट डिनर्स या इनडाइजेशन अगर बहुत क्रोनिक है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन है, whatever the positive factor you can spot, it could be one, two or many, you have to spot the positive factors and you have to make a big cross, यानी avoid करना है, so that you can expect some results. So number one is hetu viparit chikitsa. Then there are various panchakarmas explained in Ayurveda to pacify the pitta of your body. Okay, so if it's very chronic and if it's troubling very much and if it comes with a set of signs and symptoms, then you have to go for panchakarmas. Apart from that, I'll be telling you some home remedies जो आप follow करना. Okay, so number one, शतावरी. So शतावरी root powder बाजार में मिलती है. You can buy it from the medical shops. So शतावरी you have to consume 1 tablespoon with milk twice daily. Shatavari works very well with hyperacidity. Then you have to take yashti madhu powder, जिसे हम लोग मराठी में ज्येष्ठ मध बोलते हैं, या licorice powder. So that is also something which works very well on acidity. So you have to take it 1 to 3 grams with milk twice daily. Then you can take avla powder. That also you can take 1 tablespoon with water twice daily. Dry ginger powder, sunchi powder is also very good to pacify the pitta and control your acidity. तो आपको वो 1 gram BD मतलब twice daily लेना है with water. So apart from that you have to take adequate sleep, adequate rest. Coriander मतलब धनी और जीरा. So 1 tablespoon of धनिया and 1 tablespoon of जीरा, उसको crush करके around 1 glass of water में you have to boil it for 15 minutes and let it cool down and you have to drink that water throughout the day. So that is also good to control acidity, that infused water. Then coconut water is very good for acidity. Fennel seeds मतलब सौंफ जो हम खाते हैं, that also you can take with water twice daily. That is also very good to pacify the pitta. Basil leaves मतलब तुलसी के पत्ते भी आप पानी के साथ ले सकते हैं. You can take cinnamon, you can take a lot of buttermilk, but buttermilk should be prepared at home and it should be little watery. Thick buttermilk नहीं चाहिए. You can take jaggery with water, that is also good to pacify your pitta. Then you should take milk with cow's ghee, थोड़ा सा lukewarm milk लेके उसमें 1 tablespoon cow's ghee डाल के you can have it twice daily. You can have banana, you can have lemon juice, you can have pomegranate juice. You can have little gulkand with milk to pacify your pitta, to soothe your acidic levels. But always remember, the most important part is following the dietary part very importantly. Because if you only take the medicines and don't follow the causative factors or don't try and avoid the causative factors, it's not really going to help you. So try and follow the maximum and have a very good day. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.